The tech world is currently buzzing with a secret that Apple's legal teams are working overtime to suppress, but the floodgates have opened. The supply chain in Asia is already leaking the blueprint for what might be the most disruptive tablet in history, the iPad 12th generation. For years, we've watched Apple play it safe with incremental updates that felt more like minor refreshes than true innovations. But this time, the vibe is different. Apple is being backed into a corner by a surging Android tablet market and the rise of foldable devices, forcing them to finally unleash a device that blurs the line between budget-friendly accessibility and professional-grade performance. Imagine a chassis that finally sheds those dated, chunky bezels for a streamlined, symmetrical all-screen design that mirrors the high-end iPad Air, but at a price point that makes the competition look like overpriced relics of the past. We aren't just talking about a cosmetic facelift. We are talking about a total internal revolution. The whispers from the factory floor suggest the integration of the A16 or even the cutting-edge A17 Bionic chip, bringing unprecedented neural engine capabilities to the palm of your hand. This means AI-driven tasks like real-time video background removal and complex computational photography that were previously reserved for the $1,000 Pro models are finally coming to the masses. But the real kicker, the one that has every tech enthusiast talking, isn't just the raw power. It's the rumored shift to a landscape-oriented front camera. This is a massive symbolic move, a rare moment where Apple finally acknowledges how we actually use these devices, not as giant phones, but as primary tools for video calls, work, and productivity. Think about the sheer implications of a 10.9-inch liquid retina display that pushes the boundaries of color accuracy and peak brightness. We are hearing reports of a new, laminated ultra-display technology that significantly reduces the air gap between the glass and the pixels, making your content consumption feel like a cinematic experience that you can almost touch. There are deeper whispers of a revolutionary new thermal management system, a graphite-based cooling layer that allows this thin slab of aluminum to sustain peak performance during intense gaming sessions or heavy 4K video editing without the dreaded screen dimming we've seen in previous iterations. You have to wonder, is this the year Apple finally drives a stake through the heart of the first-gen Apple Pencil? The supply chain points to a yes. By moving the entire lineup to the USB-C magnetic pairing world, Apple is simplifying its ecosystem, and rumors suggest a refined Apple Pencil 3 compatibility that features lower latency and haptic feedback, a feature set that could change the game for students and digital artists working on a budget. Every leaked document points toward a battery life that doesn't just last a day, but redefines what we expect from a portable workstation. Thanks to the efficiency of the new 3-nanometer architecture, we're looking at a device that could potentially bridge the gap between tablets and MacBooks in terms of pure endurance. If you're currently holding onto a dusty iPad 8 or 9, or even if you're considering a mid-range laptop for college, you absolutely need to wait. The iPad 12 is positioning itself as the ultimate everything device. We are seeing credible reports of improved Wi-Fi 6E and even 5G mmWave connectivity for the cellular models, ensuring that this device is future-proof for the next half-decade. But perhaps the most shocking leak involves the camera sensor, the most significant upgrade the base model has ever seen. We are talking about a 12-megapixel wide sensor with a larger aperture, potentially allowing for 4K ProRes recording. This was a feature unthinkable for a standard iPad just 2 years ago. Yet here we are, seeing Apple democratize high-end filmmaking tools. This isn't just an evolution. It's a cold, calculated strategic move by Apple to dominate the education and entry-level creative markets before the competition can even blink. As we dive deeper into the component leaks and the leaked CAD renders that have surfaced on private forums, the picture becomes crystal clear. The iPad 12 is secretly designed to be the iPad Pro killer for the average user. From the redesigned chassis with its rounded industrial edges to the potential for new, vibrant colorways like deep sea blue and sunset orange that pop, Apple is leaning into the lifestyle aesthetic while packing a physical punch under the hood that rivals most mid-range Windows laptops. But why now? Why would Apple risk cannibalizing their own Air and Pro sales? The answer lies in the ecosystem. By making the iPad 12 this powerful, Apple is ensuring that the next generation of creators is locked into iPad OS from day one. We are looking at a potential Stage Manager Lite feature being tested specifically for this hardware, allowing for true windowed multitasking that actually works. We are also seeing evidence of a new Magic Keyboard Folio redesign that mimics the floating cantilever design of the Pro models, turning this budget tablet into a literal laptop replacement for under $500. As we continue to dissect every single internal component, from the upgraded LPDDR5 RAM modules to the specialized anti-reflective coating on the glass, designed to reduce glare by 30% in direct sunlight, the reality sets in. This release is about to change the way you think about mobile computing forever. The iPad 12th Gen isn't just a tablet. It's Apple's manifesto for the future of the post-PC era, and once you see it in action, there's no going back.